Good greetings, everyone. Myself, Trisha, here to present our second assignment of software development methodologies on automated testing of GM Insta application using Catalan Studio. Let's begin with the introduction. Software testing is a process of evaluating the process of a software application to ensure it works correctly and meet user requirements. It ensures that the software is free of defects or the errors and verify it behaves accordingly and according to the expectations of the customers or the users. It also helps to improve the quality and the performance of the application. This is a phase in software development life cycle, means the testing is a part of a life cycle of software development that helps to know the system working and its performance and its activities according to the requirements. Next is the introduction of the automated testing. Automated testing is a technique where cases are executed using software tools instead of a manual effort. Here in this, we have used Catalan Studio, that is a tool used for testing our application, that is GM Insta. It is used to load the scripts and run to know whether each requirement is accordingly working to the user's expectation. This helps to reduce the human effort and also remove the errors or the bugs from the application. This provides a faster results, and this is repetitive testing or repetitive process. Each activity in the application is tested. Each is tested using different scripts and run to know whether the errors are present or not. Next will be continued by Sanjana.
Vandana, next is start ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. Good greetings everyone. My name is Sanjana. Today I am here to present introduction to Catalan. Catalan Studio is a powerful automated testing tool used for testing web, mobile, desktop and API applications. It provides a simple and user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced testers. The tool supports record and playback functionality, which helps create test cases quickly without extensive coding. It also provides an object repository and test suites for efficient test management. Additionally, Catalan generates detailed reports and logs, making it easier to analyze test results and identify defects. In this project, Catalan Studio was used to automate the testing of GM Insta application and verify its major functionalities. Next, GM Insta application overview. This slide shows that GM Insta is a mini social media application developed to provide basic social networking functionalities. The major modules tested this application are login, registration, feed or post, and profile management. The main objective of testing is to verify that these functionalities work correctly according to the specified requirements. Through automated testing, we ensure that users can successfully register, log in, create, post, and manage their profiles. This helps improve software quality, reliability, and user satisfaction. Next, test scenario preparation. Test scenario preparation is the process of identifying the features that need to be tested in an application. It helps ensure complete test coverage and improves the effectiveness of testing. For the GM Insta application, test scenarios were created for four main modules. The login page was tested for valid and invalid login attempts. Next, the registration page was tested to verify new user registration and input validation. The feed or post page was tested to ensure users can create and view posts successfully. Next, the profile page was tested to verify profile viewing, editing, and updating functionalities. These scenarios form the basis for creating detailed test cases and executing automated tests using Catalan Studio. Next will be continued by Disha.
Afternoon. My name is Disha, and today I am gonna present my topic, that is test cases created. So basically, we have built a web app, that is GM Insta, which is a dupe of the Instagram. And here we have built different types of components in the web app, that is login page, registration page in a same uh, interface, and last is profile page. My name is Disha, and today I'm gonna present my topic, that is test cases created. So basically, we have built an web app, that is GM Insta, which is a dupe of which is a dupe of Instagram. So basically, in software development methodology, so the last step is testing after the creation of whole app or the software. So after testing we had test cases created. So basically, in a manner, we have built several components in the software. So the components like login page, registration page, feed page, exploration page, and a profile page. Next, so we have created all of these components. So we are creating test cases for different components. So we are testing like this is a unit test differentiation. So like we have tested for a different components with a different tests. First we have tested the login page with a valid login, invalid login. So basically, for testing the valid login, we are putting the valid credentials, like valid username with valid credentials, so the test cases get passed. And when we are putting invalid password for the invalid username, so the test cases also passes, because it is invalid login where the test cases gets passed. Next is user registration, same as well. For the user registration portal or the page, it gets both valid and invalid tests. Next is post. So we have created only these two many. So next part is software testing concept applied. So in software testing concept applied, so we have tested there are many concepts in testings, like testing may be any component testing, unit testing, etc. So we have used here functional testing, positive testing, negative testing, validation testing, and regression testing. So these are the main testing techniques or the testing concept we have used in our testing tool. So basically, we have used the Catalan here. Next is test execution. So in test execution, in test execution, we have took a different testing tool, that is Catalan Studio, which is a most used testing tool for any of the purposes of testing of software. So next we have conducted the testing for different components like login, registration, and etc. We have concluded with the outputs and also with the screenshots. So the all the outputs and screenshots were verified and tested as pass, or they tested as fail too, because of the defect errors. So by concluding it, we have used the Catalan Studio as our testing tool. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am MC Chinmay. I will be continuing with the defect reporting.
Start, madam.
Madly, with the defect reporting, uh, which is basically which tells us how to find and then track the bugs. First, we identify the defects, which means that we see whether there is anything which is broken. To do this, we compare the expected versus the actual result. For example, if a button is supposed to submit a form, but instead it crashes the app, which means there's a bug over there. We then look at its severity and then status to decide how urgent it is, whether it is the major crash or just a small visual glitch. Finally, we write the corrective actions, which are just the exact steps that the developers need to follow to fix it. Coming to the next slide, that is advantages of automated testing. Now we can say we can use the automation instead of doing it by hand, which means to say that first we give it gives us the faster execution. The computer runs the tests in seconds. This means the reduced manual effort, so we don't have to waste hours clicking the same button over and over. It also brings higher accuracy because computers don't get usually tired just how human beings would get, or just make silly mistakes. Plus we get reusable scripts, meaning we write the test code once and then we can run it forever. All of this gives us best test coverage, allowing us to check every single corner of our app easily. Here next we come to the conclusion. Let's say we are wrapping up things here. Our testing is completed successfully by now, and all the major modules have been validated and it works perfectly. Because of this, we have vastly improved the software quality, making the final app stable and more reliable. On top of this project also gave us more practical exposure in the case of automation testing, which is huge real world skill for our future careers, for the especially who are targeting for the software testing. Thank you, everyone.